Do you like peanut butter on your toast? I sure do. Have you ever made your own peanut butter? It's super easy. Here's what you need. 1 cup of peanuts. We want them to be roasted but not salted. Wow, I sure could eat all these up. We want 1 teaspoon of oil. You can use peanut oil, but if you don't have peanut oil, you can use vegetable oil or canola oil. And to make our peanut flavor sing, we want just a little bit of salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Now all of this is going to go into a blender. If you've never used a blender before, it has parts, and inside there is a very sharp blade that spins around, and it will chop up whatever you put into a blender. People use blenders to make things like smoothies, to chop up fruit and mix it with yogurt and milk, or to make things like soup, but we're going to use it to make our peanut butter today. And so you'll always want to have an adult's help for using a tool like this. But you can be the helper and put everything in. All right, first goes in our peanuts. And now let's put our oil. Get it all in. Use a spatula to get it all. Good. And now last, our salt. Now we are going to put the lid on and we are going to pulse it, which means push the button just enough to get it to spin and then stop. And then do it again and again until we have our peanut butter as smooth or chunky as we want it. Here we go. 1, 2. Wow, I can see the pieces starting to break up. We've got peanut butter. What we want to do is spoon it into a jar so we can keep it and use it on our toast. Well, looking good. This is chunky. Do you like yours chunky or creamy? Either way, have fun with it.